Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this video I am going to tell you some of the 5 amazing and easy shortcuts of your keyboard in your Windows that you must know. So for this I will open my virtual keyboard in the PC so that you can easily see what shortcuts I am using. First shortcut, I will tell you how you can use the inbuilt screen recording feature of your PC. So for doing this you have to press Windows plus Alt plus R. When you press Windows plus Alt plus R, your screen recording will start in your PC. Like you can see above, my screen recording is started. When you press the same keys, your Windows screen recording will stop. Now in the second, I will tell you how you can access those recordings. So you have to press here Windows plus G. After you press Windows plus G, this window will appear. Now you can go to captures option here. When you click on capture, on the left side you have to go to see my captures option. When you go to see my captures, you will be able to see all the screen recording that you have done by the inbuilt screen recording feature of your Windows. This will be working in Windows 11 and 10. Now I will be telling you the third shortcut key. Third shortcut key is also very useful, by which you can access your clipboard of your PC. For accessing the clipboard of your PC, you have to press the Windows plus V. I will show it to you on virtual keyboard. You have to press Windows plus V. When you press those keys, you will be able to see the clipboard. Let me minimize this. After pressing Windows plus V, I have accessed the clipboard. You can also access like this. Now I will be telling you the fourth shortcut key. In this fourth shortcut key, you will be able to use this in everyday life. Like you have opened many of the applications in your PC, you can use this Windows plus D option to directly go to your desktop. When you press Windows plus D, your all application will be get minimized very easily, and you can go to your desktop very easily by this shortcut key. Now I will tell you the last shortcut and easiest trick to shut down your PC. In this, you will have to press Windows plus X plus UU. When you press this shortcut, your PC will get shut down easily without any problem. You do not have to do many efforts. It's the very easiest shortcut to shut down your PC. When you press Windows plus X, then you have to leave the Windows key, then you have to press U, then again U, so that your PC gets shut down. I hope you like this shortcut video and this shortcut will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video.